If you own a condominium in Japan, especially as a foreign investor, an important legal change is coming in April 2026. And while many people see this reform as good news for aging buildings, foreign owners may face serious disadvantages. Here's why. Under Japan's revised condominium law, the voting threshold for rebuilding an older condominium will drop from 80% approval to 75%. That means redevelopment or reconstruction projects can move forward more easily than before. In addition, special resolutions for major shared property changes, such as large-scale repairs, renovations, or rebuilding plans will also become easier to pass. Instead of stricter owner-based approval requirements, decisions can now be approved by 3/4 of attending members in some cases. So what does this mean for foreign property owners? If you live overseas, are not actively involved in the owners association, or miss important meetings, major decisions affecting your property could be made without your direct participation. This creates several risks. First, expensive repair or reconstruction costs may be imposed more easily. Second, if language barriers prevent you from fully understanding management documents or voting notices, you may be at a serious disadvantage. Third, absentee ownership could weaken your influence over decisions that directly affect your investment. In short, simply owning Japanese real estate from abroad may become riskier. Foreign investors will need to pay closer attention to building management, voting procedures, and legal updates. Japan's real estate market can still offer opportunities, but after 2026, passive ownership may no longer be enough. For foreign owners, staying informed and engaged could be the difference between protecting your investment or losing control over it.